The OR function is a logical function. With the OR function, it needs to meet any criteria that you tell it to meet to return a value of true. It does not return a numerical value unless it's nested inside another function like an if function. In this example, we want to see who has sold over 1,000 in quantity or over 100,000 in total sales. First, you select the cell and start typing in your function. Select it from the dropdown or add your first bracket. Now we add our first argument. So it's whether the cell F2 is greater than 100,000. You use the greater than, equal to, and less than from your keyboard. Our second test is whether the quantity is over 1,000. So it needs to meet either of these tests basically to return a value of true. If it doesn't meet either, it'll return a value of false. And then once you enter it, if you entered it properly, you can actually autofill with it pretty easily. Now that you got it in there, it's a little hard to analyze. And if you wanted to actually return a value that's not true or false, you want to nest it inside of an if function. So you want to go to the front of your function, and you can start typing out the word if. And then you want to add your first bracket, because then your OR function becomes your logical test for your if function, so it's the criteria it needs to meet. Then you tell it what to do with the value of true. So in this example, we want to give it a 3% bonus. And then the value of false is 0. Once you have your formula in there, it shows that, your logical test, your criteria is the OR function. So once you meet it, it's going to either give you the calculation or it's going to tell you 0.